Welcome to your quest. In this quest, you will be learning how to compare and contrast one author's version of events to a different author's version of the same events. You will be using the compare and contrast reading strategy to help you better understand the text you are reading. There are many ways to compare and contrast texts and topics. In this quest, we will be using a Venn diagram. We'll talk more about the Venn diagram later in the video. In this quest, you will be reading and viewing different versions of the same topic. One of the topics in the quest is the lives of influential people. The story of a person's life can be told in 4 different ways. A biography is the true account of someone's life. It is written by someone other than the subject of the biography. An autobiography, on the other hand, is a true story that someone writes about themselves. An autobiography generally chronicles the person's entire life. That is, it starts at the beginning of their life and works its way up to present day. A memoir, like an autobiography, is written by the person that it is about. However, a memoir is usually a collection of stories or snippets of a part of a person's life. It usually focuses around a particular theme or defining moment. And finally, the last way the story of one's life can be told is in a diary. A diary usually contains the private thoughts of the individual writing. A diary is not as formal as an autobiography or memoir. It is a place where the writer can keep track of important events, thoughts, or problems. So let's take a look at what types of texts you will be reading and comparing. You will read 2 biographical accounts of the life of Amelia Earhart, one in the biography app and the other on a web page. You will also read about the life of Benjamin Franklin. You will read an excerpt from his autobiography on a web page and compare it to a viewing of a biographical video text. Finally, you will compare 2 versions of the story of Winter, a dolphin who undergoes a pretty traumatic experience. You will watch a video text and compare it to what you read in the app Wild Dolphins. At the end of this quest, you will create a Venn diagram that compares the autobiography to the biography of Benjamin Franklin. So as you read those texts, pay close attention to their similarities and differences. Your Venn diagram will look something like this. The circle on the left contains information that is only in the biography, while the circle on the right holds information that is only in the autobiography. The place where the circles overlap in the middle represents the information that is the same in both texts. So by the end of this quest, you will have learned how to compare and contrast one author's presentation of events with that of another's. Good luck and enjoy your quest!